Mama says in today's video we will do so much fun and learn action work. So let's start the video.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited. Yay!
Okay, so we are practice some action verb. Okay, now start with the first action verb. Read.
Okay. I have a little nose. I have a little chin. I have a little mouth. Just put my dinner in.
Pull.
I am a strong girl. I can pull my chair.
Push.
I am so strong. I can push my table.
Run.
I run very fast.
Eat.
I love to eat orange. It is very healthy fruit.
Drink.
You should drink lot of water.
Walk.
Walking is good for health.
Clean.
We should keep our house clean.
Laugh. Cry. Catch.
I can catch the ball easily.
Yawn.
I'm so sleepy.
Talk.
Hello, Mama. Are you free? Please come on. Please play with me. Come on, please.
Listen.
I am listening the music.
Dance.
I love to dance all the day.
Clap.
Clapping all the time because I'm so happy.
Jump.
Jumping is fun.
Play.
I love to play with my toys.
Write.
I like to write alphabet.
Draw.
I have drawn star.
Think.
I am thinking. I have an idea.
Sit down.
Oh, thank you. I just want to relax.
Stand up.
Okay.
Sleep. Fight.
He is a bad boy. He fight with me. Shum, shum.
Ride.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you.